Why learning SEO doesn't always lead to business growth. Many service businesses recognize that online visibility matters, so they begin trying to learn SEO. They watch tutorials, read articles, and explore different tools that promise to help improve rankings and online growth. But despite investing time into learning these techniques, many businesses still struggle to see meaningful results. Their websites may change slightly. They may publish content. They may track keywords or analytics. Yet, growth through local search still feels inconsistent. The reason is not necessarily a lack of effort. Often, the challenge is that learning SEO tools and tactics does not automatically create structure needed for sustainable online growth. Understanding that distinction is important for service businesses trying to improve their local SEO strategy. Local SEO for service businesses is frequently taught through tools. Business owners are introduced to keyword research platform, SEO audits, optimization checklists, and ranking reports. You name it, they've done it. These tools can be useful, but they often create the impression that SEO success comes from applying a collection of techniques. In reality, tools are simply instruments. They help analyze or measure something, but they do not determine the underlying structure of a website or a business's visibility strategy. For service businesses, local SEO works best when tools support a clear structure rather than replace it. So, a common pattern begins to appear when service businesses approach SEO primarily through tools. They learn how to research keywords, they attempt to optimize pages, and they explore analytic dashboards. But the business itself may still lack clarity about which services are most important or how that website should represent those services. When structure is unclear, SEO tactics become disconnected from the business itself. The result is a lot of activity without meaningful progress in local search visibility. So, the pattern behind sustainable growth. Businesses that grow consistently through local search often approach the process differently. Instead of starting with tools, they begin with clarity. They define which services drive revenue and which services they want to be known for in their local market. Next, they examine how customers actually search for those services. Only after those two elements are understood does website structure become clear. Service pages begin to reflect real customer demand. Keyword evaluation then supports that structure that already exists. Over time, visibility efforts reinforce that structure rather than trying to compensate for its absence. So, why learning SEO isn't growth? Learning SEO tools creates knowledge, and knowledge can be valuable. But knowledge alone does not automatically produce growth. Without a clear structure guiding decisions, new tactics often create additional complexities. Businesses may constantly adjust strategies, chase new keywords, or try different optimization techniques without seeing consistent results. The issue is rarely a lack of information. More often, it is a lack of sequencing. So when local SEO is structured properly, growth tends to look calm and predictable. Service pages clearly represent what the business offers. The language on the website reflects how customers search in the real world. Keyword decisions support service priorities rather than distracting from them. And over time, consistent visibility emerges because the structure aligns with the demand. Instead of constantly adjusting tactics, businesses reinforce a stable foundation. SEO tools are not the problem. In fact, many of them are extremely helpful, but tools only work effectively when they support the right structure. For service businesses, sustainable growth in local search usually begins with clarity about services, alignment with customer, search behavior, and website structure that reflects those priorities. When those elements are in place, tools can finally become useful rather than confusing.